What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. And before we get started, I just wanted to thank everybody for letting me reach 450 subscribers. I know we're way past that, even the 400 subscriber mark. I was supposed to make a video, but you wouldn't believe it, I actually lost some of my videos. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can top up Free Fire diamonds without actually going through the Play Store. I mean, the process is kind of like a long way, but at least it's worth. In this video I'm gonna be using my PayPal account. I don't actually have a credit card or a MasterCard or any bank card for that reason, and my PayPal is not even linked to a debit card. It's just a plain PayPal, and then you ask a friend to send you maybe $5, and then that's just it. So what you just do, you're gonna type g2g.com. I put the link right in the description. I am no way sponsored by this website or anything. I just found this website to be the best when it comes to doing stuff like this. So once you do this, I suggest you start by creating an account so that you don't get interrupted when you're trying to do the purchasing thing. So I tried buying like 355 diamonds, and then after a goddamn long 2 days, the seller was like, we don't find you on our servers. I was like, what the heck? So that's why you see store credit is around 377 euros, because when they refund you, they don't actually send the money back to your PayPal. They just store it in the website thingy so that the next time you do a purchase, you get like that discount. They're gonna use that money. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna search Free Fire, because I was like, you know what, since they already have my money, I'm just gonna spend the rest of the PayPal that I have. Was like, there is no way that I can use it since my PayPal is not linked to my credit card. But if you do have a PayPal and it's already linked to your like credit card, go ahead on the Play Store, make sure you add that. If you are in South Africa like I am, unfortunately you cannot add your PayPal account, so I had to create a US account and then send money, and then I couldn't get a credit card, so that's that. So as you see, this is the seller who was like, I can't get your account. So I decided to be like, you know what, I'm gonna switch, and then I'm gonna go to a different seller. There's this chick that I saw kind of weird. I'm just gonna go with the lowest prices. Was It's not like I have a lot of, god damn, what's going on? It's not like I have the, like, what can I say, a lot of money in my PayPal. Was I already spent $4 on like 355 diamonds, which is just not really good. So they have my money, so I'm just gonna try and see if I can get another offer here. Trust me, this website is really bugging me right now. Okay, so I had this one, the monthly membership. You're on a Free Fire in South Africa. This is like 105 friends, and in dollars, I'm just gonna put that on the screen. I can't be bothered to type that. So I'm gonna get the monthly membership. I'm just gonna press buy. It was like 2 hours ago. God damn, I hate these messages. So as this video is progressing, guys, make sure you click that like, subscribe to the channel, join the family and stuff. I'm gonna have to blur this part out, I'm gonna leave my player ID, my Free Fire player ID, character name.
A few moments later.
At the bottom, you can probably tell we have Visa, PayPal, WebMoney, Ideal, Pay, Safecard. I don't know what the others are, but this is what's up. Store credit balance 3.77, I guess, and the order amount was like 6 euros. So like they've already deducted 3.77 euros, so I have to pay 2.37 euros. God damn, that's a lot of numbers. How many minutes we're already at 5 minutes? God damn. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video to like maybe 4 minutes. I know I haven't been uploading that much. I'm running out of content. Oh my god, you gotta wait and see my next video. Is gonna be some cringe stuff. It's gonna seem like I'm hating on the guy, but that's for another video. Okay, so you can see now payable amount is like 2.80 euros, subjected to one-time verification, and then we're just gonna go pay now. I don't even know what's going on. Just gonna press that button. You can use a whole bunch of these credit sellers and stuff like Yandex, QE, Wallet, PaySafe, Card. I don't know this except Skrill Wallet. I know that. So I have one touch, it's PayPal one touch, so no need for my password. So it's just gonna automatically, take me to PayPal and be like, you want to purchase this type of stuff and stuff. I really hope these diamonds do come in a little bit earlier than the last time, because god damn, that shit was slow. Okay, so it's like 2.80 euros right now, which is what, $3.220, and there goes my entire PayPal wallet. I'm just gonna take a goddamn screenshot. Why did he have to miss? I hate this. Okay, so after that, you got everything. You gotta make sure you put your, I'm gonna put this my preferred shipping address. You gotta make sure you put your shipping address. They're gonna ask for your zip code. Make sure you got that, your address, blah blah blah, everything in order. And I'm paying 2.80 euros, which is $3. What? Right there, you're just gonna go pay now, processing. Everything is all automatic right now, so like not a lot of stuff. Okay, your order has been received. God damn, I hope this doesn't take time. I wasn't when I have to code this. Check again was like, okay, view your order details. Okay, so pending, it is already done there, and then verifying payment, pending for verification within 5 to 3 minutes. It's gonna verify. After that, it's gonna go to processing. Then you can contact the seller, be like, I just ordered the monthly membership during the free fire, and then she's gonna be like, oh yeah, cool, I'm gonna send the stuff. So yeah, this is the method you can use to top up on free fire. Everything that you need, the site is in the description, and if you want to watch more cool videos something like this, make sure you hit me up in the comment section. I'm more prepared to be answering every comment right now. It's not like we got a huge fan base anyway, but your subscription will mean a lot to me. And if you want to add me on free fire, I'm going to put my ID in the description, in the comment section, and on top of this video. That's a goddamn lie, I know, but yeah, that's the other method you can use. Instead of on pay.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so before I say goodbye one last time, I just wanted to show you the proof that we actually got our monthly membership diamonds thingy. So this is what's going on after a few, just like 15 minutes of talking to the seller on WhatsApp, which is very convenient than the last seller I had. She actually did everything. I think it's a he, I don't know, the profile is a girl, but she called me mate. I was like, maybe it's a dude, I don't know. But anyway, the seller has done everything, and everything is all working. I got my monthly membership diamonds right there, so I haven't collected them. First I got the 100 diamonds and the gold AK, which I want to be using super soon. I'm going to be taking I'm gonna try to take a gameplay, see what the damage is, see if it's better than my dragon AK. Plus like my dragon AK is super sweet. But anyways guys, yeah, that's just it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you drop that like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.